Right, it is time for the first official ride of 2020. I hope this camera's picking up audio. I set up the audio mic to it and everything like that, so we'll see how it goes. All right, let's ride out. So I got the camera on right now, and it should be recording audio. Hopefully I have it set to a way to where everything's all good. I'm at the gas station filling up. Well, just filled up for the most part. And it's time to roll. Make sure my pockets are closed so I don't lose my damn wallet. Alright, let's go. So I'm headed to work today. I don't know what this whole dude is doing. Where is he going? Which way? Okay. So I'm headed to work today. On this beautiful, what is today? January 2nd, 3rd, something like that? January 2nd of 2020. Oh, I'm going. And yeah, man. It's the new year, baby. I'm getting ready to get married in like a couple weeks, so I'm trying to get out as much content for everybody as possible before the big day, because pretty much that weekend and probably and that whole week is is gonna be all wedding stuff, marrying the love of my life. So I'm pretty happy about that. And why is there so much traffic? These people don't go on vacation longer for the New Year's. I'm going in front of this truck though. Watch me do this. Bust the Yui. Bust that U-Gall. Hopefully with the visor down, you'll be able to hear me a little bit clearer. And I got this weird cat dust thing over the mic, as well as its normal foam under the little cat thing. So I'm hoping that helps a little bit with the wind as I get ready to jump onto the highway and go to work. 417, my highway of choice, because it doesn't have a lot of traffic. And we are gonna go. I'm gonna drop down to here. So I started this YouTube thing, and I'm pretty happy with it, man. I like it. I'm not worried too much about the subscribers on it as of yet. If people like it and they find stuff that that could be useful, then that's cool. Starting January 1st, you are not allowed to text and drive. I mean, it started back in June, but now January 1st, they're actually enforcing it and writing the tickets for people who are now texting and driving, which I think is great because, let me adjust this mirror, which I think is great because as a rider, as a motorcycler, you get people that are texting and driving and they pay absolutely no attention to what you're doing. None whatsoever. They'll be moving into your lane. They have to slam on their brakes until the last, at the last minute to try to avoid ramming into the back of you. Oh, whee! I think I'm coming down with something. It was pretty cold on New Year's Eve. Yo, speaking of New Year's Eve, if you haven't seen my last vlog, make sure you check it out. I'll include a link in the description below. It's the first vlog of the new year. I'll celebrate New Year's Eve on my block. And I got some really, really awesome neighbors, man. we really have fun and have a good time in my neighborhood, man. Everybody looks out for one another. It was cold New Year's Eve, so I think I'm catching a cold or something. And I'm going to try to fight it off because, like I said, I got a lot of stuff coming up. I got the Festivals of Speed vlog coming up in St. Pete, where, again, I think I'm going to ride my bike down, too. Oh, wow, I hit second kind of hard. Riding like a rookie. I got another vlog coming up where I'm going to be doing some work with this shop, which is really cool. I'll let you know more about it. They restore cars and build, these awesome custom cars and stuff like that. Pretty much anything they can do. And who knows, I might try to see if I can get them to, maybe build something for me or help on a project. You never know. You know what I'm saying? I actually met them, here in Florida, so it's pretty cool. Really cool people. And yeah, man, we'll keep going. We'll keep moving. I'm almost at work, and I ain't gonna let y'all mofos know where I work at. So we're probably gonna end this video right here, and hopefully y'all enjoy what y'all see, man. All right, later.